Last night, I couldn't sleep at all. I probably got a maximum of 2 hours of sleep, and that is because we've agreed to go ice swimming today, or at least try to go ice swimming. And after spending the entire night watching countless videos of people jumping into the Baltic Sea completely covered in these massive chunks of ice, I don't know how we came to this agreement, but I'm so nervous to do it.
So it is currently 10 degrees Fahrenheit here in Helsinki, Finland. We are in our 7th country out of our 50 country goal. And as Claire said, we will be going ice swimming today, which I'm very terrified about, especially because of how cold it is outside. But before we hop into the icy water, we are actually going to be experiencing a traditional sauna. And in order to get over to the sauna, we're going to bundle up nice and warm since it's so cold outside.
We are currently walking to the train station. It's around 9 a.m. and the sun is rising. I have a beautiful sunrise behind me, and we will be taking a 50-minute ride via their public transport to Villa Furuvik, which is going to be hosting our ice swimming and sauna experience.
So we made it into the metro station. Honestly, it was very inconspicuous. You would have never known it was here, but I guess there's a whole underground train system here.
Yeah, I thought we were going into a library.
So we've made it off the bus, and the first thing we're noticing is how quiet it is, and the air is extremely dry.
Yeah, all you can hear are the birds. And like us walking through the snow is so loud. Welcome to Villa Furuvik. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour of our cute cabin sauna. Alright, so through this door, we have our own private sauna area, first with a changing room. And through this area, we have our own private shower so that we can rinse off before we get in the sauna and also after. This is where the magic happens. This is the sauna room. It is already nice and warm in here, and all we have to do is put some water on these hot stones and steam up the place. And I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my gosh, this ladle is way longer than I expected. That sound, oh my goodness. Oh, wow, it's really hot.
I know. There goes the lens.
We have made our way outdoors to the ice swimming area. And what's really throwing me off is like, they've got little bubbles going in there, making it seem like a nice little hot tub. But I already know it's gonna be absolutely freezing. And the owner was saying that it's gonna be like stepping into fire, which is not making me feel much better.
Yes, but we have now set up the tripod, so we're gonna go back in, warm up, and then come to the ice pool.
I'm so nervous. I don't think I've been so nervous in my entire life. So I think we're gonna go in slowly so that we don't hyperventilate, because I'm not hyperventilating on my first day in Finland. No ma'am, not today.
Come on, let's go. Let's get this over with. All right, come on.
What do you mean? We're doing it at the same time?
Yes, come on.
Oh. Okay, not too bad. Oh, it hurts. It feels like a million knives are in my legs. Oh no! We're actually lasting longer.
I know. Let me break that ice for you.
Oh my goodness. My mom's gonna kill me when she sees this.
All right, nipple time.
Oh, it feels like I have no body parts.
Whoa, I think we did it longer than we thought.
How long did we do it for?
Right now it's 4 minutes.
4 minutes? We did it.
They were saying that you feel kind of warm once you get out. I feel okay.
Yeah. Huge accomplishment for the both of us. Coming from the south in the US, we barely ever see snow.
I can see why people like doing that though.
Yeah, you do feel pretty good afterwards, I will say.
Maybe we're just relieved that it's over.
Yeah, I think that's been like the biggest pressure, just like worrying about doing that, but now I feel great. Let's go in the sauna. We are now switching saunas and we are walking up the hill.
So we have moved up the hill to another private sauna, which is super convenient. It's in this little villa that has a lot of natural and reclaimed wood, which you always love to see. But it is very cozy, especially with the snow surrounding us. So I think we're gonna go thaw out a little bit more.
Before we go into the sauna, I actually have a fun fact for you. There are 5.5 million people here in Finland, and there are 3.3 million saunas. So that kind of shows you how much the Finns love their saunas. And I can totally see why. They're very therapeutic, very relaxing, and you drain yourself of all the toxins, and my skin has been feeling really, really nice. So traditionally, the Finns are really into mixing extreme heat with extreme coldness, hence why they go ice swimming or ice dipping while enjoying a sauna. And so another thing that they also do is they go out and they roll in the freaking snow. So we might as well give it a try while we're in Finland. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so hard to get Chad to go roll in the snow.
2, 1.
So we have now moved the party back outside to this little kitchenette area, and the owner actually surprised us with these sausages that we're going to roast over a fire that I built.
Yay, sausages! She also gave us this massive tube of what looks to be mustard, and I think you coat these sausages with mustard and eat it together.
Oh no, snow! How annoying.
Oh no, snow, says Chad. Cheers.
Cheers to surviving the Baltic Sea.
Yes, indeed. Plain sausage with plain mustard is so overrated. This is really, really good.
Finnish mustard is incredible though.
Way better than American mustard. Our little day trip to the sauna has sadly come to an end, and we are going to head back to Helsinki through public transportation, and we will catch you up on all our thoughts once we get back. What a striking way to start our time here in Finland. We got to check off some experiences that have been on our bucket list for so long, and I can't believe that we gathered up the courage to do something that was way out of our comfort zone, something we were really scared about, so I'm really proud of us both.
Took a lot of Sisu, which we've actually been reading about, which is a Finnish word for courage. Is that like the best way to describe it?
It's definitely very difficult to translate into English because there's not a word in English that pairs perfectly with it. I'm actually reading this book that was gifted to us from our Amazon wish list from a very kind person, and I've been reading it ever since we got to Finland. But Sisu is actually a part of the Finnish lifestyle, I guess you could say. And if I were to try to describe it, It's kind of like the importance of going through things that test us or challenge us and allowing those things to help us see what we're actually capable of. And it's kind of like the foundation of grit or perseverance or resilience. And that is something that the Finnish people definitely have, and I really admire that.
I could not have said that any better, and I really look forward to our time here in Finland because I know there's going to be a lot more things that are going to test us and push us outside of our comfort zone.
Yeah, for sure. And I do want to say a really big thank you to Tia, the owner of Villa Furuvik, for having us and for hosting us in such a remarkable way. This was the perfect start to our time here in Finland, and because we did have such a great experience, we're actually going to link the website in the description box below, so if you do come to Finland, you can find it and experience something similar to what we showed here in this video today. But with that, we have had a very, very long day, and we're actually extremely tired, and I know we're gonna sleep so well tonight, so we're gonna end it here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!